Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, your girl has pink hair. And no, this is not a wig. This is my hair. So I do have clip-in hair extensions, so I'll show you how I dye them in this video. So I use the Joico Color Intensity in the color Rose. This is an interesting color. I haven't used a color like a semi-permanent color like this. I'll show you in the video. It's a little bit different than what I'm used to. And if you guys are new to my channel, hey, what's up? I'm Jana. I make videos using wigs and hair extensions, so like hair transformation videos like this. So if you're into that, then hit that subscribe button. And yeah, let's get into the video. Alright, so I'm going to start off with freshly bleached hair, and this is the color I'm using today. I'm going to go ahead and squirt it into this bowl. And this color is super interesting, you guys. So it comes with like little specks of glitter inside. I don't know if you can really see it, but there's like little pieces of glitter. I guess to make it a little bit more of like a unicorn hair. I don't really know. I don't know why there's glitter in there. So I'm just sectioning my hair from the bottom, and I'm going to work my way up. And the first application's always the scariest. There's no going back now. And okay, I don't like using gloves typically. So before you even call me out, yes, I'm not using gloves, but this hair color is super interesting. It doesn't really stain. So I'm going to show you my hands. Like, look, it looks pretty much clear and it literally doesn't stain your hands. So weird, right? I was like, how is this going to make my hair pink? I don't understand this color. So that's what I mean by this color is like nothing I've ever really used before. Super strange. Even when I rinsed it out in the shower after, the water didn't even turn pink or anything. You guys, I don't know how this color works. And I did find it a little bit difficult to work with compared to some other hair dyes that I've used before. This one, you really have to work it into the strands. It doesn't like disperse into your hair as easily as I would have liked. It wasn't really like that like conditioner texture. It was an interesting texture. Maybe it was all that glitter, I don't know. But yeah, I really had to work into the hair, and I left it on for about 40 minutes and then rinsed it out, and this is what this looks like. And then to dye my clip-in hair extensions, I find it easy just to put it on like a plastic bag like this and then apply the color to one side of the extensions and making sure you cover all the hair, and then flip it over and then get the back side as well, and then just use your hands to really work it in so you don't get any like dry patches. Alright, and then this is the final look as you guys saw in the beginning of the video. So I'm not sure if you can tell, but the color did cling on to my extensions a lot more than my natural hair, just because my hair is bleached, it is porous, and it doesn't hold color as much as my extensions do apparently. But once I have them all in, and I feel like they blend really well together, and I'm overall really happy with the hair color. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this look in the comments down below. And I do have another video where I dye my wig pink and I use another color in that. So if you guys want to see like another pink video, I'll link that one down below. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.